Welcome to a MainelyDIY.com video.
So today I'm going to make an Easter egg, and I'm going to start with a foam ball. This is 2 5/16 egg, and then I have some washi tape and some pins. These are sequin pins. These are number 8. So I am going to cut off a piece and put it on the smaller end of the egg. Just lay it right across there. And then I'm going to cut another piece about the same size. And I'm going to lay it 90 degrees to the first piece. And this will just cover up the end of your egg for you. And then I'm going to take and I'm going to make these little triangles, prairie points, what have you. So I'm folding it one edge right down on top of itself. And folding the other edge down. And then I'm going to take that. So I've cut it off, and I'm going to take that piece and I'm going to just pin it down. My object is I want to cover up all the white, so I am going to just pin right down at one end of the triangle and then at the other end. So I'm going to cut some more of these if you'd like to see how I make several at one time. So I fold the edge down, and then take my roll, fold it down, and then I twist it around, and in this way I'm going to get a whole row of them to cut off, so I have a bunch ready at once. And then I can just cut those off. And I'm going to overlap the edge just a little bit and pin my next one on. Start at the other end, and I'm going to do the same thing. I'm just going to use a little bit different washi tape here. Okay, so I took another washi tape and I wrapped it around the center and I pinned it on the end. Then I'm going to find a pretty bow that's just about right, and I'm going to stick a pin in under the bead, and then I can pin it right in there, just like that. And then I have my cute little Easter egg all done.